fish of the day. Nice rainbow. Small side, but nice. On a rooster tail, as always. Oh shit. Yeah, you ate it, didn't you? See ya. Oh, sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to make you bleed. Brown rooster tail, which would be not a brown, but a grasshopper rooster tail. 7-foot pole. Water's about a foot deep. Average. But that looks promising. Let's see what we can do. Got some ducks up there. Not a whole lot of. Oh, that's a monster. That's a monster. Look at this guy roll. Thrashed. He just came out from under that rock like it wasn't even there. Like he wasn't there. You are beautiful. Thank you, buddy. I'll get you right back in. Just give me a minute, okay? There you go. Yeah, you know the drill. Oh. Oh. Come on. There he is. Such a good fish. Where are you going? You swallowed that thing, you dumbass. him right in that pocket right there. I don't think I might catch another one in there, but I'm gonna cast anyways. Oh, I caught another one in there. Hell yeah. Oh, I like the 7-foot. Oh, is that a brown? That looks like a brown. That's a brown. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Calm down, brown. Calm down. Calm down. I don't want you to get hurt. Nice brown. Look at that guy. Sexy. All right, well, 2. Out of the same hole. That ain't bad. Another rainbow. Or brown? Another brown. Yeah, brown. Oh, bigger brown. Come on, calm down. New spot, back for action. I gotta figure out how to get there and fish all that by walking on these rocks. So I think I'm gonna have to cross here. How am I going to get there? Probably a monster fish right here. Oh, and a fish. Not a great big fish, but a fish nonetheless. Oh, beautiful color on that. Little guy, but beautiful color.